What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 4th of August. We're taking a look at Casper this morning, CSPR/Tether USDT. Start this video off, guys, over on cryptobubbles.net. Seeing what's going on here on the daily section of the market. It looks like got a nice mixed bag here of red and green cryptocurrencies. Casper looks like we're up, according to cryptobubbles.net, 4.2% in the last day. XDC, PLS, OKB, all up. Very nice in the green. Guys, let's head over to tradingview.com. Look at the charts. So here we are on tradingview.com. We're looking at CSPR/USDT. Up in the green, looks like 2.06 right now. Bitcoin down slightly, XRP down slightly as well. As we look at the Casper chart, and welcome all of the new subscribers. Appreciate all you guys. Thanks for hanging around. As we look at the Casper chart, we are in this pennant pattern that we spoke about a couple days back. Well, we are breaking out just on time, and so far the breakout is to the upside. So we have a higher high here on the 23rd. We have a higher low here on the 26th. We have a lower high on the 28th. And then it looks like we have another higher low, on the 3rd of August, which was yesterday. And this pattern runs out on the 4th, which is today. What's going on? We are breaking outside of that pennant pattern, as you can see. The question is, will the market continue to the upside? My overall thoughts on this a few days back was the momentum is to the upside. I think this thing does break out to the upside. That's my thoughts on that. So we'll have to see. And I said basically the end of the week into the early weekend, this pattern runs out and we should see some volatility. We should see some movement coming here very soon. And so far today, we'll have to see if it holds. We are getting a breakout, and that breakout is to the upside for Casper. So keep your eyes on that, guys. You can see this pennant pattern here and getting that breakout to the upside. Now we need to see how the candle closes today. So it could end up just being a candle wick like this back into the pattern. It could close unchanged for the day, which would look something like this. Could have a candle wick up, could have a candle wick down, and the market closes like that, basically creating a cross. So a couple different scenarios. It could also be a candle wick to the downside. If the markets get hit today hard, you could have a candle wick that looks something like that, where the body is down here and it was a failed breakout or a breakdown lower in price. But that's all speculation. Right now, the price is moving higher as we expected. So, hey, if you're long Casper, it's a better day than if you were long XRP right now. So, hey, that is good. Let's talk about a couple different price targets to get this weekend started here. So we have a couple here to the upside. Now, this would put the price into some new highs. Some recent new highs. That means we would be taking out the high over here of the 23rd. That high is 427. We also have this major high here, 410.0410. So we got to get past that high. We also got to get past the high on the 23rd, which is 427. 427. So assuming that can take place, guys. And then we have to run into, you got these highs over here on the 16th as well as the 24th. Target number 1 up there at 0.0437. That's a 437 Casper. That would be a very, very solid pennant pattern breakout, getting us up there to target number 1 at 437. That would put the price up from where it's at now about another 10 or so percent. So that'd be about a 12% on the day. Moving on up from there, target number 2 0.0454. That's 454. Right here, this yellow line number 2, that would be target number 2. And you can see that takes us almost back to the lower end of this, which was support, broke into resistance over here on the 4th and 5th of June. So the price naturally get up to there and struggle a bit. So keep your eye on that. That's 0.0454 from where we are currently trading. That takes the price up about 15%. That would put the price up about 16% on the day, assuming we got there today. So keep your eyes on those guys. That is 437, 0.0437, and then 454, 0.0454. Yellow line number 2, yellow line number 1. That takes us into new high territories, at least recently. And it also takes us up, if we get to the second 454, takes us up into this range, and we should expect some resistance in that level, because it was support, flipped into resistance, getting back tested if we get up there, back into resistance, and then maybe consolidation, and then breakout higher. So just a quick video here this morning as Casper appears to be breaking out of this pennant pattern to the upside. We got to see if it holds. We got to see if it can actually break out past the recent highs, which are, like I said, the dates here are the 28th of July as well as the 23rd of July. So keep your eye on those highs. If those can break, takes us right up to target number 1, and then probably right into target number 2. Also talked about switching gears here. This has a very rough looking, head and shoulders here. So keep your eyes on that. But sometimes if everybody sees the same things on the charts, and you can always see what you're looking for too, sometimes if everybody sees the same pattern, it does the opposite, and it'll actually break out higher. So not going to put too much weight into that right now. If this pennant pattern starts to reverse and get ugly and move lower, maybe this afternoon it's failing, then that's when that pennant pattern, that's when that head and shoulders is going to start to shed some more light. But right now, price is bullish, but it can change very quick. If you're not familiar with crypto market, you'll learn that over time. It can look good, and all of a sudden, boom, can look bad, vice versa. Market can be crashing, bottom, rallies up higher. Things change quick. Got to be nimble and expect volatility. Guys, that's my thoughts on Casper. Real quick, over to BTC. Bitcoin pinned 29,143. We are pinned at 29,143 level. What's going to happen here? Is this thing going to break lower down to 28,249, or is it going to blast off back up to 30,141? Right now, we're stuck basically at 29,143 price level. So keep your eye on that. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and join us here. Share the video, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment. And if you use all links down in the video description, it does help support the channel, so I do appreciate it. All right, let me know your thoughts on Casper, and have a great day.